Okay, as soon as I started this video, the car started at 5 seconds. Okay, we are at 22 seconds. So here's 33 seconds. So when I was revving with the phone out the window was at 33 seconds on the log. Okay, we're at 60 seconds and we're backing out. I mean, the car is stuttering pretty bad. The car's shaking pretty bad. So it is misfiring right now pretty bad. And that was at 123. 123 seconds. Yeah, now the car is pretty bucking. That was at 171 seconds. And the car just died. Okay, well, hopefully we can get this figured out. If not, who wants to buy it? You guys have a good day.